All right, folks. Here comes San Joaquin train 717. Your northbound destination for this train is Oakland Jack London Square. Now get ready to pass by my hometown. Now this is it. Here it comes now. See what's leading up. F59 PHI. Woo! Yeah! 2013! And Cabcar 8303. Nice. And there she goes. West of Oakland. We'll continue on to Antioch, Martinez, Richmond, Emeryville. The final destination for this train is Oakland Jack London Square. At Emeryville Station, there will be bus connection services towards the Bay Area, including the Transbay Terminal in downtown San Francisco. Nice. Thanks for the Horn Show 2013. That's it. Live in my hometown in Oakley, folks. Thank you all for watching, and I'm out. Till next time. See ya.